Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Investor Josh, and today I want to talk to you about three of my favorite cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. I must stress this is not financial advice. These are just cryptocurrencies that I'm invested in. You might see some value in them as well, and I think they have a lot of potential. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Let's get into it. First off, we're going to talk a bit about this article from JP Morgan and Morgan Stanley are eyeing off Bitcoin. Here are the big Wall Street's name warming to cryptocurrencies. So there's bigger and bigger corporations, businesses, speculative uh, companies all eyeing off Bitcoin, including banks and wanting to invest in it. We'll just talk a little bit here. At JP Morgan, co-president said that he's sure banks will embrace Bitcoin at some point. That is massive news, guys. It is really big news when someone at JP Morgan says they think banks are going to embrace Bitcoin. And he says at some point, but in my opinion, and many individuals out there who are an expert in this space, at some point will come sooner or later. In particular, potentially towards the end of this year, maybe into next year. This is massive news in regards to Bitcoin. The other huge news, we had all-time highs very recently after yesterday's relatively substantial dip, but it was only for a minor period of time before it bounced back very, very quickly, and that's what we like to see. It means the coin is strong. It's very, very, very unlikely it'll have any large-scale dips down into the 30s or into the 20s. I think that's very unlikely indeed. But time will tell. My short-term prediction for Bitcoin, as with many others, is that it's going to hit 50,000 US. Some say within the next 24 hours, some bullish people. I say definitely by the end of February this year, it will be at $50,000. My longer term price prediction is towards the end of the year, Bitcoin will have $100,000 price tag attached to it, USD. But nextly, we're going to move on to Ethereum. Ethereum 2.0 set to undergo first hard fork upgrade. This is big news also. My short-term speculation for Bitcoin is 2,000 US dollars, and I think that is very achievable and will happen before or by the end of this month, February 2021. Some further price speculations for Ethereum are 10,000 US dollars by the end of the year. I've heard a number of people in this space talking about Ethereum being a $10,000 coin by the end of the year. I think that would be excellent. I think if Bitcoin can go to 100,000, I think Ethereum can go to 10,000. I'm very bullish on Ethereum. I think it's going to hit $10,000 by the end of the year. Cardano. Cardano market cap has doubled to 28 billion in 2 weeks. This is massive. With recent gains, Cardano ADA can start to solidify. Shit, I'm bad at reading. Solidify itself as a top 5 cryptocurrency. That is massive. I am so bullish on Cardano. Out of the three we've just talked about here, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, I am most bullish on Cardano. I really do believe, well, I think it's going to hit $1 easily by the end of February. By the end of this February, I believe firmly Cardano will be at $1. I do believe by the end of this year, I think we could very, very easily see a $10 Cardano. I really do. And in fact, today I put a large chunk of my crypto portfolio into Cardano. So that's where my money went today. I moved some of it out of Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin's excellent. I think you could easily see a doubling of Bitcoin this year from where we're at almost 50,000 USD. I think we can easily see that go up to 100,000 USD. But I think we can see a 10x from Cardano. So that's where we're at. Bitcoin by the end of the month, easily 50,000 US dollars. By the end of the year, 100,000 US dollars. Ethereum by the end of the month, easily 2,000 US dollars. By the end of the year, potentially 10,000 US dollars. I really do believe that. Cardano easily by the end of the month $1, if not closer to $2. And by the end of the year, easily $10, in my opinion. I think we're going to hit $10 for Cardano by the end of the year. Let me know what you think. Please like and subscribe. I'm making daily content. My fingers are crossed for Cardano because I'm heavily invested. Let me know what you're invested into, or if you think I'm wrong, I want to hear from you. Thanks for watching.